Oda kinawanga sokoma balautumai. Alainu mi medavaro. Me vanu mele silangwa ke se metola viele silangwa ke na ke yato ato sawatimai. Wai tamuni mo moto alonga na kina kimbale bale matata vina memu. Hola.
Hola.
Bulavanaka, and a very, very good afternoon to all of you. It's indeed an honor for me to be here today to celebrate with you Castaway Island Resort's 50th golden anniversary. Ladies and gentlemen, this is truly a special occasion for the resort and for the Fijian tourism industry. Today, Castaway marks half a century of delivering authentic Fijian holiday experiences to its guests, and many of whom have come to regard Castaway as their home away from home. From its humble beginnings in 1966, Castaway is now one of the jewels in the crown of the Outrigger Group, with 64 odd breweries accommodating close to about 300 guests at any one time. And a staggering 40% of these are repeat visitors. Ladies and gentlemen, for a global industry as competitive as ours, this is truly a remarkable achievement, and testifying to the hard work of the management and the staff of the resort over the years to continue to deliver impeccable customer service and genuine Fijian hospitality to resort guests. Ladies and gentlemen, without the initial continued support of the Vanua Olawa, Castaway Island Resort would not be where it is today. And despite leadership changing hands in both the Vanua and the resort, the two parties have always kept a good relationship and have lived together in harmony over the last 50 years. And this is a testimony of the great leadership of the Tuilawa and the indissoluble understanding that the resort has with the Vanua Olawa, most of whom are a part of Castaway's family of hosts. So thank you very much to the Vanua. Ladies and gentlemen, over its 5 decades of operation, Castaway has survived storms and cyclones, emerged battered, but with the spirit of its hosts, it's remained unbroken. And within the Fijian tourism industry, when it was caught in the wrath of T.C. Winston and its aftermath, Castaway was not spared. Instead, the resort bounced back stronger than Winston, with a $5 million facelift and opening of its doors to guests just a mere 4 months after the devastation left behind by Winston. Ladies and gentlemen, Castaway is an award-winning resort, bagging multiple national and international accolades over the years. Earlier this year, Castaway scooped the Deluxe Accommodation Award at the 2015 Aeon FITA Awards, and recognizing and promoting excellence in tourism. At the same event, they've also bagged 3 additional awards recognizing the efforts and commitment of 2 outstanding staff, Mr. Lingo Rees and Mr. Lance Sito, and winning the Best Fine Dining Restaurant in recognition of Castaway's unique dining experience, influenced and inspired by the local culture and organic Fijian produces from the island's very own organic farm, a concept that my ministry has strongly supported and encourages all operators in our industry to continue to push for. Ladies and gentlemen, there's a strong growth outlook projected from the Asia-Pacific travel industry in the coming years, and my ministry will continue with the industry partners such as yourselves to ensure that we capitalize on every opportunity to develop our industry further. Last week, our local chefs and baristas battled it out at the Moffat Salon Culinaire held at the Sheraton Fiji Resort to see who cooked up what would best describe Fiji's abundant resources for our divine and luscious cuisine. And such competitions are important, especially in our effort to build on effectively utilizing our local produce in the tourism industry. In moving the industry further, the ministry is working on releasing some findings from the International Visitor Survey, which will assist the industry in terms of understanding our visitor impressions and market trends. We're also working towards having the Fijian Tourism Forum in March next year, in which I know Jeff will participate. However, over the course of the next few months, we will be conducting stakeholder consultations also in key projects like the hotel data collection system and the tourism master plan. The industry, ladies and gentlemen, contributes quite largely to the Fijian economy, and in 2015 we did about 29.4% of Fiji's GDP, with a total direct foreign income standing at about $1.6 billion. And it has taken strong commitment from the government and the industry over the years to bring Fiji's tourism industry this far. Castaway, ladies and gentlemen, has been an integral part of this particular journey, given its 50 years commitment to the Fijian tourism industry. A concept personified by the resort's former owner, Mr. Jeff Shaw, who also holds the Fiji Tourism Visionary Award. Ladies and gentlemen, to past and present management and the staff of Castaway Island Resort, you've done exceptionally well for the last 50 years. And thank you for your strong and undivided commitment to our guests, to your work, and to the entire industry. And as part of the larger family of Fiji's tourism and hospitality operations, you are the heart and soul of our success as an industry. The ministry looks forward to working with you in the years ahead. And with those few words, I'd like to wish you all an enjoyable afternoon, and once again, congratulate Castaway Island Resort on their 50th anniversary. And here's to the next 50 years. And also, I must say this before I leave, thank you for being such an integral part of where happiness finds you. Good night.
This gentleman has been working here for 25 years.
Oh, just 1 minute.